Hello, my name is Muhammad Hazib Hamizi. My metric number is TI220019. And today I'm going to teach you how to install Dev C++. Firstly, you should go to sourceforge.net, this website, and then click on download button, and then wait for 5 seconds. Your download will start shortly. Okay, wait for the download, and then open the files, and then click on yes button. Please wait while the setup is loading. Please select a language, which is I'm using the English. So press on click button and then scroll down. You can read it if you want, and then click on agree button, and then click on next button. And then this is for the extension folder. You can change it if you want it, but I keep it default. And then click on install button, and then wait for Dev C++ to install it into your laptop. And then it's complete the Dev C++ 5.11 setup wizard. Click on finish button, and then click on next button, and then next button, and then press on OK button, and then you can start your coding. Oh, sorry. Select on new source, and then you can start your coding. Thank
Okay
you.
Bob, aku dah record lah tapi macam mana